The wall of love. Here are the pictures of all the people that I love, and I'm gonna show you one by one. Okay, I'm gonna see each and every note that I've written. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking them and subscribing to my channel. I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है तुम लोग इतने compliments दे रहे हो and you're supporting me, encouraging me. Really appreciate it, and without wasting more time, just get into the video because this video is gonna be very close to my heart because it's about my room. I'm gonna give you a room tour, but the highlight of that is gonna be this wall with all those lights, pictures, sticky notes, whatever you see behind me. Uh, just like it's very close because I'm moving out and I'm gonna destroy this wall. So मैंने सोचा कि let's just make a video before I remove all of this stuff and yeah, so I made this video and the video is all of, so I call this wall the wall of love because the pictures that are on that wall are basically the pictures of people I love and closest to my heart. कुछ लोग हैं जिनके साथ पिक्चर नहीं खिंचाई है and they are still close to my heart, so I love you guys too. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, it's just that मैं जब आई थी I wanted to feel like home and I had certain pictures suggest मैंने उसको print करवा के लगवाए थे वहाँ पे. And the sticky notes, I started a bit late, but I've written messages on them every day just to keep myself motivated and believe in those values that I actually want to inculcate every day. And so if like you have seen it in all of my videos, right? You've seen that this wall has like every video, so people have asked me what's there on the sticky note, what pictures are there on the wall, and so I'm gonna get you a closer look of these two things, like what you guys are curious about. And ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बॉयफ्रेंड की फोटो नहीं है वहाँ पे, इट्स जस्ट लाइक फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, तो उतना भी क्यूरियस मत होना. Okay, so let's get into the video. See you guys. So let's start with the favorite part of my room, which is called the wall of love. Here are the pictures of all the people that I love, and I'm going to show you one by one and talk a bit about them. So first, here I talk about my best friend, my younger soul sister. So उसने ये सब मेरे लिए लिखा when I was coming here, my birthday, everything. And I don't know, we have such a deep connection. I love her so much. We are huge Marvel fans. So we say I love you to each other, like I love you 3000, that's what we say. And yeah, I love her. Then my second best friend, जिसके साथ मैंने पूरी engineering life निकाली होगी, is her. She is the prettiest girl I know and I love her too. And it's always fun with her. Then ये इसका क्या बोलूँ मैं, he is one person I can talk to anytime, but इसके साथ तो इसके लेने में मज़ा आ जाता है. He is a sweet guy, really a good person. Here's my brother. Then here is my mom, who is as pretty as me, or else I can say she's more prettier than me. And ये YouTube का idea इनका ही था. Can you just imagine some like, यहाँ पे मुझे ये idea नहीं आया, but she was like, देखो चालू करना चाहिए, you should do something, and here I am. Okay, move on to this picture. This picture is my favorite picture because this was, I think, last year birthday की pic थी, and they celebrated it for me. It was so much fun. And इनके साथ engineering life बहुत सही गई है. There are more people with whom I don't have a picture right now, but yeah, they are in my heart. So I love them. I love these people a lot, and yeah, they are my favorite. They are really good. They are very fun. Here's more two birthday pictures of last year. Here is my buddy. He's the cutest golden retriever. Then this is the first day when I came to US with my uncle and my cousin. This is me with my dad at Times Square. I know we look alike a lot. Here's me and a sari with my beautiful friend. Here's a screenshot of my mom dad on video call. That is very often apni. So Rosie, it's a daily routine. So that's one thing. My brother, meri jaan hai. He's my dog. His name is Jackie. I love him. Here's another birthday picture. And here are my childhood buddies. They have a special place in my heart. I love them so much. Like, yeah, we don't talk much, but we know whenever we meet, there's a lot to catch up on. So they're like, and this is me. So saying love yourself, here it is. Love yourself, self-obsessed. Just put a picture of yourself too. On the wall of love, sorry. And you must be wondering, what are these? So we had an exercise in our university, which was a leadership exercise. And at the end of the day, we had to give a feedback to our group members. So here's what they gave me a feedback. I'll just read the first one. I think there are a lot more, but I'll not get into that. I like the way that you were supportive of other group members because it makes me feel comfortable to speak my mind. I don't know. I don't think he's written his name. Yeah, it's Luke. I just wanted to say that, but it's fine. This is why I came here. And I think I've set up pretty much everything. So these are the fairy lights that I bought. And we connected them through the nails. वो भी हमने जिससे दाल बनाते हैं ना, वो कड़छी के बैक साइड से ठोका है. We are जुगाड़ू people. We do anything. Indians हैं ही जुगाड़ू, थोड़ा इसमें यूज हो जाता है. And we wanted to do something else, but we ended up with a weird pattern. Doesn't matter. What matters is the pictures, and it feels like home. So that's my thing. And you must be wondering, what are those notes there? I'm gonna show you in the next video. So here we arrive to my wall of sticky notes. I know it's blurry. Okay, now you're gonna see each and every note that I've written. These are something that I think I am as a person with these things in my mind, and I just wrote it out to just my heart out. Like मेरे को ये करना था because I just want that these things I inculcate every day in my life. I don't forget these things. So you can start from anywhere. Basically this says humanity, don't judge, never judge anyone before you know that person. Stay beautiful, that's what I am. Family, it matters a lot. You are confident just so that whenever I am like कि मेरे से होगा कि नहीं होगा, just read this and you know that you are confident, you can do it. Have a heart to let go, just let go. You know, दूसरों की खुशी, अगर if you love someone and you know that the person is happy somewhere else, just let go. Don't hold grudges. Karma, infinity. You know, what you give, you get. Value people because छोटी सी लाइफ है, हर किसी की वैल्यू है, and you need to value them the way they are. Be kind and love all. Just be kind to everyone. That's what I can say. Help whoever needs you. Be there for everyone. It's just like have a great day. That's what I say it every day. And even if you don't have a great day, just assume that this would happen, and maybe if something bad would happen, then this ये हो गया, चलो अच्छी बात है. ऐसे loyalty is rare, I can say that. You can do it. Yeah, sometimes I'm just like कि होगा कि नहीं होगा. You can do it. Little things matter. Someone cooking for me when I'm too tired, or someone just showing a gesture of kindness or appreciation, that things matter to me. Like थोड़ा सा भी कोई appreciate कर दे, I really am very glad, and I इसीलिए मेरा thank you so much निकलता है कि मैं seriously बहुत खुश हूँ someone's just appreciating a small thing, taking a time out for me. Then you are capable enough to rule the world. So I have my own world, and I want to rule it by inculcating these values and following it. Just achieving the dreams that I have for myself and what my parents have for me. So that's what I want. Kintsugi means it's an art, Japanese art. It's a book, you can read it. So it's a Japanese art where they make a new, they make new things from broken pieces. So they join it by a golden metallic something, and that's where they make dishes or anything from broken dishes. So they basically say that broken pieces can again made into new in a better version, so you can heal. That's what it says. Don't take life seriously, dude. mat lo, koi farak nahi padta hai. Have a healthy day, have a healthy diet, go jogging, work out, just sleep. That is also a healthy day for me. Sometimes you can just have a peaceful mind. Faith, very important. This is you are strong. Love without expectations. Never expect anything. If you love someone, you won't even expect. You'll just give love. Friends matter, value them. For me, I have a higher weightage for my family, obviously, but friends matter too. Appreciate efforts. Anyone, even a small effort, appreciate it. Give time for yourself. Just close your mobile, social media, everything. Just sit for yourself. Give thoughts time. Give time to think. कुछ भी thoughts हैं उस चीज़ को value करो और उस चीज़ पे implement करो. Don't let your mind control you. Start controlling your mind. Treat everyone equal. Don't differentiate between anything. Just whether they are whatever, just treat everyone equal. Love yourself, very much important. Obey parents. They are the one thing that matter me the most. So obviously this would be one thing that I always do. This is a fun thing that I wrote. Have lots of crushes, but love one. I have crushes, but I love one. That's what I can say. I'll love one person, but I have lot of crushes every day, so it's fine. Make time for people. Even if you have a busy schedule and someone needs to talk to you, just make time for them. That will make them happy, which can make you happy. That's how I work. If I help someone in a day, and if my advice helps them, मेरा दिन अच्छा जाता है. Make videos. That's what I'm doing. Say thank you. Say sorry. Keep these etiquettes to apologize for any wrong thing. Be thankful for everything. That's what it is. Here, hope, trust. Be grateful. Love, family. Okay, what did I miss more? Here, meditate. I love meditating, and that's what I've learned from my mom, so I can see that meditation is one thing that really helps, but it's a boring thing sometimes. You just fall into sleep again. So you need to do, because you need to control your mind rather than letting your mind control you or your thoughts, which is not a good thing. Click pictures, that's what I also do most of the time, because I want to keep memories and see how I've changed myself over the years. That helps detox social media. Just keep your phone away for at least of 5 to 6 hours. Do something else. Just don't look into your phone for that many times. Hear out before making assumptions. That's what misunderstandings do. If you don't hear out, if you don't talk out, people make assumptions, and that's where it all goes wrong. So first, if I heard something about someone, I'll let them talk for themselves. I don't want to make assumptions regarding how bad they are or how good they are. Smile always. That's what you need to do. Watch sunsets. Yeah, that's the pretty thing. I think I've covered pretty much everything on this wall, and we are gonna move to my next thing. That is my pretty comfortable, comfy mattress or bed. And this is a mattress which has a box frame. That's the thing, that is the box frame. अब तो एक फ़ैन है यहाँ पे, एक कूलर है, because it's too hot here. That's the, what do you call this, a nice comfy कंबल. यार अब वो word नहीं मिल रहा मुझे, छोड़ दो. So this is my full size mattress, which I bought it for around $200, and it's a good deal. So इसीलिए इसकी हाइट कम है, बट अगर मैंने बॉक्स फ्रेम नहीं लगाया होता तो वो और नीचे होता. Okay, that's my guitar, which I bought it last year when I came here, and I'm learning. I'll be a good guitarist someday. I know I can do it. यही तो वो दीवार पे लिखा है, कर सकते हो तुम. Let's move on. Here's the next favorite part of my room, which is my chest of drawers. So I'll show you bit by bit. First of all, about the chest of drawers. So there are 3 drawers in it, and I got these for around 180 to 200 plus with the person they sent to assemble it, because I didn't have the tools to assemble them. So they sent a person and they charged for it, and it's a pretty good deal because I like it. It's like a table, I can keep stuff on it, and this room didn't have any of the furniture except that one. So it's better that I have this. अब यहाँ पे मेरे भगवान जी हैं, which my mom gave it to me, and I pray every day because I like praying. I believe in them and I like praying. These are the paintings given by my best friends. This is one, and the others this one. So they love me a lot and I love them, and this is what they have given me for my birthday and as a farewell too. So yeah, next we go to all the pillars around भगवान जी. ठीक है, तो ये हैं मेरे perfumes. I am crazy about perfumes, like very much crazy, and this is my most expensive and craziest perfume I've ever got. Like, it's too good, and it's Armani. I love it. You should get it. I can show you for like, I love this one. These are the lotions that I use. This is my favorite lotion. This is from Body Shop. I use it a lot. Then there's Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works, where I get my perfumes from. This huge white thing is a humidifier. तो ये कब लगता है जब बहुत ठंड होती है and the heater turns on. The room for me, I have a dry skin and dryness बहुत जल्दी होती है. This humidifies the air and it actually makes the environment more cool instead of having a dry, roughy, heated environment. So that's one thing. And this is a good deal. Like I bought the humidifier from Amazon, and I got it from around like not less than 20. I mean 20 approx between 20 to 30. Yeah. And yeah, there are so many rings because I'm also crazy about rings. So these drawers are fully occupied by rest of the stuff like my documents, my makeup thing and all. So I think this is it from this side of the room. Let's go to the other side. This is my closet which has a light. Yeah. So this is my closet. We need a lot of hangers. यहाँ पे वो cupboard जैसा नहीं होता, जो नहीं है तो मैंने ऊपर रखे हैं, but you need hangers to keep clothes properly. So get hangers if you want to. Okay. And this is my huge mirror. Moving on to the next thing are the windows and the curtains, जिसके लिए मैंने जुगाड़ करके उसको किधर तो कोने में लगाया है, जिसकी रॉड उधर वो कोने में पड़ी है, यूजलेस, गिरती रहती है. 3 बार तो गिर चुका है, मेरे पे नहीं गिरा, साइड में. सो ये जुगाड़ करके ऐसे कर्टन्स लगाए हैं and it's good. Sometimes I like light, sometimes I don't. And then moving on to these things, these are the essentials. Like ऐसे gloves हैं यहाँ पे, that's my waxing heater which I do my eyebrows with. Then some essentials again, medicines and all. These are the books. This is the book Kintsugi which I was talking about. ये है मेरा खतरनाक स्टंट जो मैंने किया था यहाँ पे आके. यहाँ पे बॉस्टन में, फ्लोरिडा गई थी to Gatorland where there were so many alligators and I held one in my hand. ये जो शक्ल दिख रही है ना हंसते हुए, it's behind the scenes it's something else. So yeah, but that was one pretty. Then let's just see the room around. So this is my workout mat. These are the boxes that I'm packing right now because I'm moving out. Then I think I'm done with everything showing around, right? I would have showed you my shoes, but then they all are packed up. This is how you have to pack the boxes. You get it this way and you get it into this. So that's it. Let's go back to the wall of love again and sing. Bye. Okay, so we are back. Like हम गए भी नहीं थे कहाँ पे, but just I was giving you a tour. And thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. And I hope you like it, share it, and subscribe it. Hit that red button. Like if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it because कुछ नहीं जाएगा, free है. Please, yeah. Requesting with this innocent face. कर दो. Okay. And that's it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. अच्छा रुको. Last एक और चीज़ बोलनी थी. I love you guys so much. I love you. Seriously. Thank you for supporting me and liking my videos, watching it till the end. यार लोग उतना भी नहीं करते पर तुम लोग कर रहे हो. Thank you so much. अब जा सकते हो. Bye bye.